Hey, it's Chriso. How you going? I've about had enough, everyone. I've got an hour to go before I knock off, but I've got to go up there yet. But I'll do that on Monday. It's Thursday. I'm gonna have a long weekend, and I'm knocking off an hour earlier than I normally do. Enough's enough. Woo! A little bit knackered, but yeah, it's a nice big beautiful bathroom, and I'm just about there. So on Monday I'll do across there, do those niches and that seat, and I'll have it done. Then I'll be into the grout. Okay everyone, I'll see you Monday. Ciao. Thumbs up. Help me build my business, people, by subscribing. You will learn heaps and heaps. I have a lot to teach you from the last 35 years that I've been doing this. Okay, we'll see you. Bye.